My name is Colin Smith and I live in Daventry in Northamptonshire. It was the Area Health Authority that advised me to get in touch with the Ombudsman. I was acting as carer for my mother, who at the time was 86, 87 years old. She had dementia, severe eye problems and hearing problems. During the week it became obvious to me that she was not well, and so I took her to her GP surgery. I was told by the surgery, or by the receptionist, that I couldn't make an appointment with my mother because I wasn't a carer. I was told to write, or it was suggested by the Area Health Authority, that I should write a letter to the practice manager, which I did, which wasn't replied to. I tried phoning up the practice manager. Every time I phoned, he wasn't there. So I said, my mother obviously is not going to get treated. I took her to the hospital where she received immediate treatment. They agreed that the standards that my mother had received were well below what were expected. And it was they that suggested the Ombudsman. To me, the Ombudsman provided guidance and support all the way through the process. My caseworker was invaluable in helping me understand what I could and could not do. There was a two-way flow, either over the phone or by email or by letter. I felt empowered with the advice that I was given. The outcome of it was that the Ombudsman began an official inquiry into the way the practice was being run. I went back to the surgery just before the end of the case, and I noticed that there had been big changes in the physical layout within the surgery, that the attitude was much more open. I feel there was justice, not just for my mother, but for other patients. If you have a complaint, even if you're not sure whether you have a complaint, get in touch with the Ombudsman, because they will let you know whether you have grounds for complaint or not. And if you have grounds for complaint and you want to continue with it, they will give you all the support and help that you need. But after all, if you have a complaint, it's because you feel you've been treated unjustly.